So eighth problem is this, and this problem is asked in JEE Main 2017. And look at this problem. Y is given x plus root x square minus 1 power 15 plus x minus root x square minus 1 power 15. X is given as the sum of these two. Then we need to find x square minus 1 into d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx value. We need to find this value in terms of y as per the options. Okay. Now to answer this, how to proceed? Just observe now. See, this is x plus root of x square minus 1, and here the base is x minus root of x square minus 1. When you multiply these two, just check it. If you multiply this x plus root x square minus 1 and this x minus root x square minus 1, the product becomes 1. Is it clear? It's of the form a plus b into a minus b, right? See, when you do a square minus b square, the product is 1. See, since the product is 1, I am going to take this base as some other variable t, and this base will become like 1 by t because the product of these two is 1. So, as given, y is equals to t power 15 plus 1 by t power 15. If you take this expression as t, then it becomes 1 by t. So y is equals to t power 15 plus 1 by t power 15. Okay. Keep in mind that this t is x plus root x square minus 1. Now you just do derivative on both sides with respect to x. Now dy by dx is equals to, since it is t power 15, its derivative is 15 into t power 14, and we need to differentiate t also with respect to x. Okay, 15 into t power 14 into, we have derivative of t with respect to x. Again, this is 1 by t power 15, t power minus 15, and it can be written as minus 15 by t power 16. For both these terms, we need to differentiate t with respect to x. So this part into dt by dx. Is it clear? Now what I am going to do is, see, you just collect 15 from these two, 15, and then since it is t power 14 and this is 1 by t power 15, I am just collecting 15 from these two terms. Not only 15, I am going to collect 1t in the denominator also. Okay, I am writing in such a way, 15 by t into, so since I collect 1 by t here, I need to write t power 14 as t power 50 minus 1 by t power 15 into derivative of, that means d by dx of t. What is t here? X plus root of x square minus 1, since this is our t, right? So just check it. I am just collecting 15 by t from these two terms out. So it becomes t power 15 minus 1 by t power 15 into d by dx of x plus root of x square minus 1. Okay. And what I am going to do is, just have a look. This is equals to 15 by t into this t power 15 minus 1 by t power 15 can be written as square root of t power 15 plus 1 by t power 15 whole square minus 4. What you say? Just check it. Here we have a minus b whole square, and I am writing it as root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. If it is a and it is b, 4ab is just 4. So just write this t power 15 minus 1 by t power 15 as t power 15 plus 1 by t power 15 whole square minus 4. Okay, this part into derivative of this x plus root x square minus 1 with respect to x, which becomes derivative of x is 1. Okay, and for this root x square minus 1, the derivative is 1 by 2 root x square minus 1 along with 2x, because the derivative of this x square minus 1. Now you just try to simplify all this part, just cancel this 2 and 2. So this becomes in the next step. Here on the left side we have dy by dx is equals to, whereas coming to the right side here we have 15 by t into, and under the square root, this t power 15 plus 1 by t power 15 is y, so this is y square minus 4. 15 by t into root of y square minus 4 into this part, 1 plus x by root x square minus 1. You just try to simplify this. 1 plus x by root x square minus 1 will become like this: root x square minus 1 plus x divided by root x square minus 1. Now if you observe, this t and this x plus root x square minus 1 both gets cancelled, because t is nothing but x plus root x square minus 1. So we have finally dy by dx is equals to 15 into root of y square minus 4 divided by root of x square minus 1. Okay, this is dy by dx. Further we need to differentiate one more time with respect to x to get this value. Okay, first of all, copy this and then I will continue my solvation from this step onwards. Okay, just observe this. Let it as t and t power 15. If it is t, it becomes 1 by t. Okay, so t power 15 plus 1 by t power 15. Differentiate it. So for since you are differentiating left side dy by dx, right side this value into the derivative of t with respect to x, and you just collect 15 by t out. It becomes t power 15 minus 1 by t power 15 into derivative of this x plus root x square minus 1 with respect to x. This becomes root y square minus 4 and the differentiation will get cancelled this t. Finally we have dy by dx is equals to 15 into root y square minus 4 by root x square minus 1. From there we need to differentiate one more time with respect to x to get this value. First copy this. So now we have this dy by dx is equals to 15 into root y square minus 4 by root x square minus 1. Further we need to proceed to get this value. So what I am going to do is send this root x square minus 1 this side. It becomes root x square minus 1 into dy by dx is equals to 15 into root y square minus 4. Okay. Now you just differentiate with respect to x. If you differentiate with respect to x, what will happen? This first term. See here left side we need to use product rule u into v. Right side simply for this root y square minus 4. Product of these two, right? First term root x square minus 1 into derivative of this dy by dx is d square y by dx square. Okay. F into the derivative of g plus derivative of this root x square minus 1. What it is? For root x square minus 1, 1 by 2 root x square minus 1 into 2x into dy by dx. First term into the derivative of second one plus second one into the derivative of first one. Okay. This is equals to right side 15 into, here we have root y square minus 4 and its derivative is 1 by 2 root y square minus 4 into the derivative of y square, which is 2y, into y dash. Is it clear? Derivative of y square is 2y into y dash. Y dash is dy by dx. Okay. So further we need to simplify. Just cancel out this 2. As well here again 2. Now this is the right side, left side part, right? So multiply everything with root x square minus 1. What will happen? This implies if you multiply this first term with root x square minus 1, we have x square minus 1 into d square y by dx square. And then see, if you multiply this term with root x square minus 1, it becomes x into dy by dx. That is equals to, if you multiply this right side part with root x square minus 1, we have 15 into root x square minus 1 divided by root y square minus 4 into y dash, by multiplying everything with root x square minus 1. Actually this part is the required thing. Okay, so this is equals to, we have this, right? And now just observe this root x square minus 1 by root y square minus 4. Okay, and here we have y dash. Y dash is nothing but what? Dy by dx, right? Just combine these two, observe it. Dy by dx is equals to 15 into root y square minus 4 by root x square minus 1. Just send this fraction to the left side. Root x square minus 1 by root y square minus 4 into dy by dx is 15. So this is 15 again. So 15 into y, and that is equals to 225y. There ends the problem. Our answer is finally 225y. And this is the way to simplify. Okay, have a look.